Physical and chemical changes are happening all around us in the world. And the difference between a physical change and a chemical change is tied to composition. All chemical changes involve a change to the chemical composition or the makeup of each of the substances involved in that chemical change. By contrast, a physical change does not lead to a change in the composition of the substances involved. Their compositions remain the same. Physical changes are limited to changes to the display of a substance. Some of these changes might include changes to the texture, shape, temperature, color, or state, such as between solid, liquid, and gas. Some examples of physical changes include crumpling aluminum foil, breaking a glass, evaporating rubbing alcohol, or melting an ice cube. Chemical changes again represent a change to the composition or the chemical makeup of the substances involved. This means that chemical bonds are being broken and new ones are being formed when the chemical change occurs. Some common indicators of a chemical change are changes in temperature, changes in color, a noticeable odor following the start of a reaction, the formation of a precipitate, or the forming of bubbles. It's important to note that a change in color does not always indicate a chemical change. Instead, it indicates that a chemical change may be occurring. For example, painting a car would represent a physical change rather than a chemical change. The change of color caused by the formation of rust, however, is the result of a chemical change. Some examples of a chemical change include burning wood, cooking an egg, mixing an acid and a base, and digesting food.